Ginawa akong Vice Mayor ng lungsod ng Maynila. 9 na taon. Pangarap ko maging alkalde, huwag kayong magkamali. 2016 pa nga eh. But that's water under the bridge. I failed. I failed to assess a real promise coming from a person that is a failure. You don't blame him. You blame yourself. Whether niloko ka o hindi, ang tanong, nagpaloko ka. Ganun lang yun. Huwag niyo masyadong paghuhugutan ng buhay ninyo. Kasi you will never find the answer. And the only answer is when you fail, you move on. Parang magsyota. Ayaw na siya ng syota mo, kahit anong pilit mo, move on ka na. Next. Because with that kind of attitude, you are going to face in the next few weeks of your life. Kaya ako kayo pinaiinom na ngayong gabi. Reality check na tayo. In a few days, weeks of your life, being a graduate, you're going to practice your profession. You're going to, you really wanted to economically enrich yourself. Individually. No? Pagbigyan nyo na ako, minsan pagka ginaganan ako, napapa-English ako. But it's true that you're going to face now ang realidad na ng lipunan. And I guarantee you, mind you, prepare yourself for failure. Ihanda nyo na ang katawan, kaisipan, at damdamin ninyo dahil lahat ng tatahakin yung landas ay magkakaroon ng stumbling blocks. But it depends on your mindset. Stumbling blocks, ginagamit yan na hagdanan pataas. And I believe, one way or another, we have so many reasons in our life. One way or another. Basta, ang masasabi ko lang sa inyo, no? Ipagpasalamat nyo na sa Diyos yung narating nyo ngayon. Ipanalangin nyo sa Diyos na sana'y malagpasan nyo pa ang bagong mundo at katotohanan ng lipunan kung gaano siya ka-challenging sa buhay. Yun ang ihanda nyo sa damdamin, isipan at pangangatawan. And don't be afraid to fail. And if you saw some of my interview, I always tell everybody, most of the time, I would rather fail by doing something than fail by not doing anything. Because I believe, hindi ko saying yun baka plagiarize. Parang energize But, ako mismo, personal, and I will share it to you, ang paniwala ko. Sa buhay, sa karera, o anumang bagay na meron ka, and you always remember the principle of temperature. Anything above 0 is positive. Then you will be a happier person. Because if you know how to be nothing, or even to the point below 0, then above it is a positive or something that you can be grateful. And with that kind of attitude, maniwala ka sa akin, mawawala ang inggit mo sa katawan. Kasi magiging masayahin kang tao. Kaya bagay na, kung napapansin nyo rin, lagi kong ipinagpapasalamat sa Diyos. Because I always believe I am nothing without God. Hindi po ko religyoso, don't get me wrong. Makasalanan din ako. Hindi nga ako nagsisimba madalas eh. But I was taught by my mother to pray every day, to talk to God. Sabi ng nanay ko, kahit anong oras, kahit saan, pwede mo makakausap ang Diyos. And in fact, sa sobrang dahilan ng nanay ko yun, pag birthday ko, magsimba na lang daw ako, titulog ko na lang. Madahilan din tong nanay ko eh. But you know, you really have to change and figure out your mindset. Yan, mahalaga sa tao.